Hey mamas, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. In today's video, as you could see from the title, I'll be doing this super quick and easy wig install with this wig that I got from Yolissa Hair. So Yolissa was kind enough to send me a 5x5 HD lace closure wig. Yes ma'am, this is a closure in 20 inches, 180 density, and in the pattern water wave. This is what their texture looks like. This hair is so yummy, y'all. This hair is super duper soft, super easy to work with, manageable, flowy, like easy to run through. This hair is perfect. If you are looking on the perfect everyday on the go wig, this is definitely it from Yolissa Hair. Like, this is just so gorgeous, and it is glueless, so you could take it off and sleep at night and put it right back on with minimal product. I just work with this hair so effortlessly. It was so perfect to work with. Like, I just feel like I have a connection with this wig. This wig is just scrumptious, okay? And if you'd like to see how I did my super quick and easy install on this super affordable wig, just keep on watching. And if you would like to purchase this unit, the links will be below to do so. So let's jump into the tutorial. I'm finally finished. This is what the wig from Yolissa looks like. They sent me their HD Lace 5x5 closure wig. It is 180 density and it is in 20 inches of their gorgeous water wave hair. Listen, this is long. Like, this 20 inches is long. If you want you some real long, curly, wavy type of hair, curl pattern, super cute, this is the way to go. The fact that it's 180 and it's giving thick is just perfect, because some people will say 180 and they don't give 180, they give 130. So I'm so here for like the real fullness in this hair. I'm loving it. The title and specs is not misleading whatsoever. This is absolutely perfect. The hair is really gorgeous, and y'all, when I looked at how quick I finished, I was shook. This install took me 13 minutes to complete, okay? And then I had to diffuse, and that added like 14 minutes plus. 13 minutes, y'all. Like, in what world? It was so easy to tint, it was so easy to pluck. Plucking, I didn't have to do too much. It took me literally about 5 minutes to pluck because I wasn't doing anything excessive. I knew I wanted a side part. I was contemplating doing a middle, but I'm like, side for the win, okay? Because I know that like this wave hair type of wave pattern, you know, it just looks so cute when you like, you know, run your hands through your hair, flip it to the side. I live for that moment. So this was just like the perfect wig to do a side part on. And did I mention it was a closure? Like, get into it. It's giving such frontal vibes with not the frontal price. It is super duper affordable, and it's giving frontal vibes without the frontal work. And don't we just love a quick easy install? Like, tell me in the comments. We love a quick easy install, so this was literally perfect. Absolutely. And if you'd like to get your hands on this gorgeous unit, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. With that being said, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you to Yolissa for sending me this gorgeous unit, and I will see you lovely ladies in my next one.